Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Get all the inspiration you need right here. If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe to Be in Tune. Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com. Check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.